So, a new trading day, so a new video. Just opened the charts again, came from work a bit late, 15 minutes late for market open, because again of the daylight time shift, but um, gonna do my analysis right now and see what the bias is gonna be for today. I think already looking at this, I think it wants to go higher. Get that SMT to low. If you looked at the earlier videos, then my analysis was, okay, I'm bullish. Like if you want to reverse, then this low. Looking at this in market maker model, then this low is like the last chance that we wanted to go higher. We eventually took that low, and I thought, oh wow, it's no way low below this low. I think we're gonna go lower now. But we got a beautiful reaction from that, so that's very nice. And also, while we were trading inside of this big liquidity void, we're now getting very nice reaction from this. And then, yeah, where are we trading towards? This is strong liquidity. I already had this as a strong liquidity for yesterday, but yesterday we were just chopping around. Those in here, we took out this high. But then this is definitely where we're trending towards to. Trending towards to. I don't know, man. My English is not not great. Here. This is then also a drawn liquidity, and then obviously higher towards here, but I don't think that will be taken today. If we do take out this high, then of course I'll mark out the highs there. But first, these highs are a drawn liquidity. And then zooming in, okay, what do we have? If we are really bullish, yeah, we're now just instantly pushing higher, but some sort of retracement. Yeah, we tapped the 50-minute here. Probably had some other things as well, but yeah, my model is I'm looking for some sort of manipulation lower, and then I'm looking for higher. So if we want to go higher instantly now, then that's fine. That's no entry for me, but already looking at this, I see, okay, we have some clean lows here. So maybe want to take those lows and then go higher. But yeah, if we do not do that, then we probably will go just higher instantly towards the high there, but then that is also fine. Yeah, so that's the quick analysis. Let's open my browser, open up Trade08 3 times, because I'll be trading on one Lucid account and for my Fund of Futures accounts, which are all funded. And then, oh yeah, one other account as well, that is with Apex, which is a 150k challenge account. So I'll put this here. Open up the My Fund of Futures account and then the Lucid account as well. So yesterday's day was a very nice trading day. Took a nice profit, and hopefully I can repeat that for today. So let's check. Yeah, so we're now, this is still the MNQH chart, but I think we should switch markets. MNQ. We're still on this. See what the volume is on here. Why did it change anything? I don't think it did. Like, easy thing to remember. Yeah, we're on the, doesn't really matter which chart I'm trading, but if you're really looking at the levels, then I should say then definitely look at the right chart, which is then we had a contract rollover today, so you can see that here I enabled it. Contract switch from NNQH to NNQM. You don't have to remember which month we are in or which quarter we are in, basically, but I do remember it. It's HMZ, HMUZ. And you can basically, I remember it by, okay, hit me up, HMU, and last letter of alphabet goes last, Z. So it was really easy to remember. But yeah, we had a contract rollover, so I'll just trade that then. So MNQ M, open up this here, and yeah, looking at the right chart now. So let's zoom in here. All right, and that's then automatically still copy traded towards all this. Yeah, so the accounts are all there. Exit simulation, because we're still on a demo, technically. All right, so it looks good here. Just do one, and I can't even enter with this because then, yeah, it has to be minimal 4. It's copy trading with 4, of course. Yeah. All right, put this on my side monitor, and you can see it. Oh yeah, you're already we're already able to see it. All right, so put this on my side monitor. We're really close now on the gas. Honestly, I don't really think we want to take out the lows, but that would be better if we do that, because then there would be some sort of entry for me. But yeah, probably won't be as long as the video compared to yesterday, because I don't think I'll be in a trade for that long, if I even will take a trade. But I also will be joining the Discord, my own Discord, the call for today. Are they already in? Not yet, but we were gonna do a call. We were gonna do a call today, so yeah. So now just waiting. Everything is set. Yeah, now just again waiting. Oh. Let's see what I want to do. And if we take out the high, do we instantly want to look for lower? No. Definitely not. Here I'm on the continuous chart, so I don't have to change anything here, and I'm always looking at the NQ chart, not MNQ. Yeah, if we take out this high, I'm not really thinking that we want to go a lot lower. I think we just want to have a small retracement, maybe somewhere in here, and then from there go higher to the buy side. I don't know what's happening here with NQ. I'll close it for now and restart it. All right, ES not working. Okay, let's see. So yeah, let's go ahead and trade. Okay, someone said something about all right, so far nice retracement. We're still in just respecting these gaps, and honestly doesn't look bearish at all, so we probably should just respect this gap and then go higher. But again, my entry would only form if we take some sort of equal lows. Like we could generate some structure in here, but it's just such a small range. I don't think that will really happen, so I'd rather want to see the lows get taken. So yeah. Small little trend line on ES. Yeah, just getting a reaction from this. Again, not chasing price or doing anything stupid. Like, this even more keeps me accountable for my trades. Yeah. Gonna try to be one of the most transparent traders out there. Honestly, no one is doing it. You have Diego doing it, Diego Pereira. Here and there, he still fucks up some of his trades. I try to be not like that with my trading, but I'm trying to follow his path with like showing everything, being transparent. Um, like I want to get my second payout, and then probably as well I'll just show my like how much I spend towards challenges, and I think it will be like I have no idea how much it is. I do have like a indication it's gonna be like I think it's close to total. I think it's gonna be like yeah, minimum 1,500 euros. I think that's with all the activation fee and stuff. I think it's just a bit over 1,500 euros. Maybe even more. Who knows? Maybe I'm hitting 2k euros. But yeah, that'll be gone if I take a 2k payout. So that would be nice. But of course, first I have to get there. But that's gonna be the idea to show everything. Like, what do I have to lose? Like, it really doesn't make sense to me to just not share it. Like, if you're making insane amount of money, like 10k every single month, like okay, then maybe it gets I don't know dangerous. What was that? I meant this dangerous. Um, to know like then people would know, oh, this guy has this much money, maybe I can, I don't know, man, rob him. I know, but for now it's yeah, really doesn't make any sense for me to just not show it. I think honestly why people are just showing uh their profits and how much they spend towards accounts is to because they know it's not great, and then try to protect their dignity or they try to look better than they actually are. But yeah, I don't know, man. No ego. I should have no ego in this. I should just try to be as transparent as possible, because you don't really see that a lot in the trading space, and that would motivate people as well to, yeah, for them to know like it's actually possible. I don't honestly. If I look back, is trading a good like out of all the things out there? Should you do trading or do drop shipping? Or honestly, I wouldn't say trading is the best thing to do, but I went all in on this and I'm obsessed with this, and yeah. Uh, yeah. Just try to be transparent with this, man. Yeah, that will come. That will come. So far, we're getting tiny move lower. That's so far, it's very nice. didn't get a response yet. I wanted to do a Discord call today with Jimbo. He got a total. He got a 25k payout. I think he has like at least 50k paid out now, which is just insane. And he wanted to tell some things about it. I wanted to hear it, so he was gonna do that today. Yeah, so I probably want to do that today as well. Why does this still show MNQH? Maybe I have to update that in some way. I don't know. Yeah, that also still shows age. It's fine. My risk settings are still on, yeah. Very nice, very nice. It says eval here. It's definitely not an eval. Alright, I ended the recording here because I scrolled a bit too far and you saw you saw everything. So I just ended the recording there. If you think, oh, that was a weird cutout, now you know. Well, you'll see it 10 seconds later, so. But yeah, just looking in here, it's not really anything interesting. Price action so far is also not interesting. Yeah, what do I do most of the time? Once I see price just slow, honestly, just looking a bit on YouTube, kind of just a bit on my phone, doing some things, but not trying to be doing things which takes all my focus. Like you don't want to play a game simultaneously. Please don't do it. I've done it many times. And then you miss a trade or you make yourself mad. If you miss a trade or like anything could happen with that, but just don't do it. Just don't do anything too distracting. Just do something that doesn't fully take your focus. Like it's very easy for me. Like here, I have 2 monitors, so it's easier to like keep my eyes on the charts because I can just look like this, of course. But it's also easier to lose focus, of course, because it's so easy to just So just look at that monitor. Yeah. So far, it is nice. ES has now taken the low, the trend line lows. Honestly, a bit of the same thing as yesterday. Just slowly going higher. I don't know where that was, but where was that? Like here. Slowly going higher, creating a nice trend line, and then we had a sudden drop out of nowhere. This is on a 1 minute chart. This is also on a 1 minute chart, but this is more zoomed in. If you go to like a 30-second chart, it would more look like that 1 minute chart from before. But this is very nice. I think we're still very bullish. So now he's just retraced into a single 15-minute busy. So honestly, it could be a bullish reaction from this. Again, 4-hour candles already opened. If 4-hour candle is going to be bullish, then we're first trading lower. This will be then a wick for us to go higher. That would be nice. I don't know how yesterday played out though. Okay, yesterday was kind of an indecisive candle, but wow, this is probably going to be an entry, honestly. See if an SMT here, an SMT here. Go quickly to M&Q. What the hell is going on with M&Q? All right, and how many contracts is going to be? It's going to be 2 contracts. Only if you close the buff right now. 2 contracts per account. 2, 4, 6, 8. So 8 contracts. Here it's gonna be what is it? 2 contracts. And then here 150k. I want to risk like $1,000 per trade. You don't see it, but this is how I do it. Yeah, right now I'm just doing it like so because this is so annoying that this thing moves. Like 17. All right, let me go to trade of 8. 13 seconds, 12. I'm looking at the NQ chart. I'm ready if it happens. No closure, so no trade. Oh, this looks really good, not gonna lie. Get a closure above this and I'll definitely take it. I'll definitely take it. I would go break even here, but that would also be first EP. Is it? No, it's not. I would go break even there. Those would be first of full TP. We shall see what happens here. 30 seconds. Got to keep an eye on this candle. What do we do on ES? So tap the gap here. All right. Yeah, let's see. This looks pretty good. Three, 2, 1. No closure. Let's check it was for 2 contracts, right? Yeah, 2. Round 2. I don't know where the closure is going to be. Like, it could be all the way here. Could be way higher, and then 3 would be way too much then. It's way too much, so I'm going to be safe and then go for 2. I explained this yesterday. If you even want to close above, otherwise it won't be a trade. Alright, so it doesn't look like this candle is going to be a trade. 5, 4, 2, 1. Nope. Man, this looks so good. And then it just looks too good, and then we just don't go higher at all. Also, kind of a trend line here. 18 seconds. 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Nope. No closure. No trade. Again, waiting. If we take this low, would it then still be a trade? No. because then, for me, we didn't take clean lows. But if we do go a tiny bit lower, and we take out this low, even though it's taken already on ES, then, and then reverse, then that could be a trade as well, because that would be, in my eyes, an approach and revert. Like last chance is that NQ also takes out the low, and then we want to go higher. Full height dogs. What is this? Oh shit. Alright, so no closure, no trade. We're now going lower. Very nice. I never ever enter thinking like, oh, I think this will inverse and then take the trade. Of course, I have done it before with like a paper trading account and very in the beginning, but it's you can't predict that, man. It's just I'm really glad I never do that. It's also for a reason, of course, because yeah, I've almost never seen it work. But yeah, I'm always entering after the confirmation, which for me is then the closure above. Never predicting. If we inverse while we have not taken a low, but ES has taken a low, which it has now, then it could still be a trade. Alright, there goes that low. Now we've taken this low on NQ as well, so now if you want to go higher, we should do it now. Now the low is taken as well on NQ as on ES. That'll be a purge and revert. Yeah, we're now not really a big candle, but aggressive candle. I don't really see any reason for us to really go much lower. We have a big inefficiency in here in this entire leg, of course. But that doesn't mean that we should just fill that in right away. Like we already had big gaps here. Why didn't we fill it there then? Like, I'm not trying to go against the market. I'm not trying to catch a falling knife. Zooming in. Again, this is a market model. Market maker model. I have some lows here. Same thing on here on yes. Yeah. So don't really see singular gap here. We have two gaps. A few gaps. Yeah, I don't know. I'm still bullish. 15, 14, 13, 12. Like it could also be an entry if we close above here, but then of course this has to be left out. But if we, in this candle still, like we have 5 seconds more, but if this goes instantly up towards and then close above this high, then I have to be ready. But yeah, right now I didn't have to. Didn't have to be ready. Still, it could go. So got all these 2-minute lows. Now we have almost a single gap. Less than a minute for this candle to close. And then if we have some sort of gap in here, I would love to take that. Something like this. Oh yeah, again, I'm not able to take any partials, which is unfortunate. I just found out like yesterday. But then I'll take full TP here. Even though I would then, like I'd probably want to take a partial here and then I'd probably run towards there. But yeah, okay, so this now looks clean. Look at that. Like a small 10 more seconds. We could not even go higher, of course, at all. We could, yeah, it could not go higher at all, of course. But if we do close above this, then I am going to take the long. So we could just trade lower all the way. I don't know where to, but at least it's 930 low. But I don't care what happens. If we close above this, then I have to take it because it's my entry. We're bullish. I have clear drawn liquidity. We take some sort of manipulation, or we had some sort of manipulation taking out liquidity. We have a SIBI. If we were bearish, then this should be respected towards lower. But if we close above this, then everything is showing to me that we want to go higher. So I'm gonna wait. Oh yeah, of course my risk would be different now. So let me calculate that now. I'll be on a 2-minute chart. I can show you here. So this is the exact same, of course, on the MNQ. I'll put it somewhere above here and not put it way higher. I'll just put it above like where tiny closure would be. Also not like one tick above, like slightly in between. Yeah, and it doesn't look like we want to reverse at all. Then I had my stop loss like so. Create limit order. And this is already 222, so that's a bit too much. Like it would be 2 contracts as well. Well, yeah, this doesn't look like we want to go higher. So I don't know where this drop is coming from because we also don't have any news today. Only medium. So we're now going lower, and anyone that was chasing price in here, they're now stopped out. Technically, we're still respecting this 50 minutes. Yeah. Let's see what we want to do. This 2 minutes, just a bit too high for my liking. To my liking. Looks like it's going for the 930 low. Significant highs and lows are as well that I look for, or that are different than some other highs and lows are 830 low and 930 low, or 830 low high, 930 lower high. I have this song in my head if you didn't notice, right? So I didn't really do anything here. This is already a bad move. It's a pretty clean move. Oh look, George even took it. 1 minute chart, MNQ. All right, there's 930 low on ES. So where are we going towards? We have a 1 hour busy there, where we have 2 gaps in the entire leg. That's a long way to go. Like we're still bullish. We're coming from bullish, so I don't know. So there is an SMT. SSMT, I have that as well, but I never use it. I have data on it, and it's not too, yeah, it's not really like almost working. Like it's not always work. Almost, oh my god, it's not always working, of course. It would be nice if you go higher. So we do have a tiny little gap here, which we inversed. But did we really take out clean lows? I don't really see it. Like this is now, could say, oh, this is singular gap. This low is taken, this low is taken, but I don't know, man. I don't like these type of trades. This is just, we're already delivering from here, is still kind of bearish. If you just go instantly higher, I don't believe that. Like, then I would rather look for some sort of retracement and then in here. So far, it's quick and clean. And this is respected. Look at that. That's crazy. Wow. Nice volume. But again, wasn't my entry. Look at all that volume. This really, really looks good for higher. This is also Singer Gap. Do have an SMT, and then this honestly doesn't look too bad. 4-minute entry. Stop at the low. I would go break even there. RR is a tiny bit worse. Also not too bad. Keep an eye on this. Will I take this? I'm honestly not too sure. Let me check. We're still bullish. We just had an SMT at the low. Delivering nicely. Yeah, I gotta stay patient. See what we do in here in this range. So now we're still respecting the singular 4-minute. Honestly, it doesn't look too bad. See how many contracts this would be. Right now, if you're thinking like, oh, is he sure he's gonna take this? Or like, I don't really know if he's gonna take this. Like, yeah. Telling you now, I'm also not too sure yet if I want to take this. How many contracts would that be? That would be 1 contract. 1 micro. Like, I'm thinking, okay, what if I take the trade? Then wait of a retracement, for a retracement, somewhere in here. Like, then I get a better entry, but then still not too sure if I want to take it. Really looks good though. It really be max what I wanted, what I want to risk here. So this could be too. Yeah, not too sure. Not too sure. So far, it's a very nice reaction though. I do think I will take it, but not too sure yet. Let me go to here, trade of it. So it's gonna be 4 there. It's gonna be 1 there. It's gonna be like 8 or something on Apex. Yeah, like this looks good now. Okay, so now we're getting closure. 3, 2, 1. R is terrible now, so I'd like the closure a bit here. Did I get a closure now? I think my chart's lagging. I know what's going on. does look good, but some type of retracement, then I'll take it. Somewhere in here, we'll see. So far, a very nice move. Let's see what we get. Alright, I'll put a limit on here. I have to make sure the sound is not too loud because yesterday was just ear rape with the order filled sound. Oh, and I can't really.
Order filled.
Oh my god, I scared the shit out of me. Alright, I'm in. If you didn't notice here. Alright, so let's see if this goes. So quick and nice SMT. Hopefully this goes instantly higher, of course, but we shall see. Not going break even at the high. It'll just be full TP or stop loss again. So we will see. I'm with 4 contracts. Everything is going well. It also has long now, so that's good. Oh my god, I'm not in with. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Order filled.
Alright, that wasn't too loud. $20. Alright, yeah. Alright, I'm in with everything. So I'll stop there. And I think it will be 8 contracts.
Order filled.
8 contracts with the Apex account. I'm honestly not too sure if it's 8 contracts that I want to risk. So let me check that right now. $1,100. I'm risking around $1,100, but that's fine. We will see. We will see if it goes. So far, nice wake, but let's see. TB is going to be 25,145. 25,145.50. Sell limit. 25,145. Here. So it's going to be sell limit. 25,145.50. It's going to be a sell limit as well there. Yes, thank you. All right. We'll see. So I got a tiny bit better fill. I filled at 25,050. Here, the original entry should be 25,066, but I got it at, oh wow, very nice actually. 0.50 if it goes higher, of course. So we will see. I think it looks very good for higher. I don't really see any reason for us to go lower. So it's a 930 low. It's a significant low compared to all the other lows. Like this low, what is this low? It's not really a significant low to me. So we will see. We will see. My risk is on this trade, it's not that much. It's 1 contract. So in with less than the original would be. The original would be here, of course, but I'm filled here. So original entry would be risking $142. Now I'm risking $100. So that is nice. Maybe could have been double, but no, that would be my more than my limit, which is $200 per trade max. So I don't want to do that. But there was the risk here that the market was just going to go instantly higher without me getting an entry. So yeah, the risk was there, and then you have to accept the fact that if it, yeah, it did not happen yet, but if it then has happened, like accept that you missed the trade if it went to W. If it was a W, then accept that, yeah, you made the decision that you wanted to get a better entry, but you did not get filled. Yeah, accept it. Just then accept it. So far, what are we doing? So ES went all the way lower. Didn't really tap a cap. Did it? No. Oh, the market opens now. It's now 3:30. Normally it opens now. So I don't look that like that it's chopping now. Honestly, I hope that it's not gonna be the same thing as yesterday. I was in this trade as soon as I got into the trade. It was choppy. Hopefully it's not gonna do the exact same thing. I don't like that we're now chopping and then this low and this low are like close to each other. Like that maybe wants to get picked up and then like we're here, then I'm a bit in drawdown. Of course, that's not a big issue, but the chance of us already going higher from there then are then already the chances are then already a bit lower. So yeah, I like these tiny candles, tiny candles. Yeah, waiting a bit. We'll see, man. We will see. Oh, there is probably gonna take the lows. Oh, there I took the low. And what did I say? Now the chance of it going higher already tiny bit lower, but we will see. Looking at the 4-minute chart, this looks insanely bullish, right? Delivering bullish, manipulation lower, SMT at a low, inversion, everything is there. And if we take this low, if we create a SIBI here, we close above that SIBI. After taking the clean lows, I will definitely add something to it, but I don't think that will happen. All right, so far, nice wick stepping into the lows. You can have an SMT to lows. Doesn't mean anything, of course. Does look nice though, but we'll see what happens. Already looking at this, I think this is then taken as liquidity for us to go higher. So why did we create a wick if we go all the way back to the wick? Like I could maybe put even my stop loss below here, but it's not my actual trade idea. It's not how I do it in backtesting. Backtesting is very profitable, so I just should follow how I do it in backtesting. Like you never know. Maybe it does go lower, takes out the wick again, and then goes higher. And then I'm break even. Or have a tiny stop. But I don't want to do that. Just following how I do it in backtesting. In the long term, if I lose this trade, in the long term, I know it's a profitable strategy that I'm trading. So, all right. Yeah, so far it's a nice reaction. Nothing yet. Waiting. I'm thinking about just pausing the session here as well, and then I'll let you know what happened. But like it's, yeah, if it's gonna be really choppy, then I'll probably just pause the video and I will be back either stop loss or TP. But yeah, there's still some time for it to go. But yeah, we'll give it a bit more time. Staying on the 4-minute chart because that's where I took the entry. This does look a bit weird. So far, that's a nice move. I think this will get taken at least. I can't take any partials. Maybe this gets taken as well today, but look how this is such a long way. This will take some time. Like maybe you could even extend it towards like a 1 and 2R. Then it would be, I'm risking $100, so it would be $200, but yeah. I could take my TP off, but I don't know. Oh, nice. I did not know, but sell limit. Would you like to cancel entry others? Yes. So I don't. I know now. No, I don't have to do anything about that. So I could do this with, yeah, definitely Apex. I could definitely let the Apex go a bit. But here I really want to look at the charts and see what it does. Like maybe we get a big expansion. Like if it's really really bullish, I'll be maybe holding it for a couple more seconds. But as soon as it shows like something bearish, then I'll take it off. I'm a pussy with that, which is also a good thing in my eyes. Do, do, do. So far, nice. All right, so I'll set an alert. Not that I will close the charts, but still. See, I'm looking at my phone and I know where we are at in price action. And I like to have, like this is my actual TP, I like to have alert just shy of that. So I know, oh, we're nearing my TP. Like one candle could trigger all 3 alerts, but I'll be fine. Yeah, I don't like this. But again, it doesn't look bearish at all. Did ES even close above this? It did. It's a singular 2-minute. No, it's not. It's a 4-minute. No, it's not. It's a 5-minute. No, it's not. It's a 15-minute. Singular 15-minute on ES is still holding. I don't like that, but we will see what happens. Sorry if it's annoying. I do have a nice SMT this low, man. We'll see what actually happens. Maybe, let's say I'm in with 1 contract. What if I add another? Then I'm in with 2. My stop loss is here, which is $116. I don't know. Pretty bearish candle. Now back at the point where I was break even. Or where I entered. Yeah. So what do? We went higher. We took out the high here, which is one out of many highs in this trend line. Which it would be unfortunate if this is then the direction which triggered the market to go all the way lower. But again, it doesn't look bearish at all. It doesn't look bearish at all. Stop loss, we were below here. We've already taken that. We've gotten a tiny reaction from that. So I think that's enough manipulation. But you never know. You never know what is going to happen. So feelings right now, yeah, this sucks. Like it's nothing, nothing has happened. Still in tiny bit profit, but it sucks. Like he already saw the market go a tiny bit towards where you want to see it go to, and now it just gets a reaction, not randomly, but kind of randomly. Randomly, is that even a word? Kind of random. Yeah, it really doesn't make sense for me at all for the market to go lower here, where it just looks bullish, and you think we would just continue this trend. Like we've been bullish basically all day, like 8. So why does New York market session just opened? Why does New York's market just opens? Oh my god, man! Why does the New York market open and then we just don't do anything? Like the volume just dies down. Why would we do that? But yeah. I said here as well, the wick doesn't really make sense for us to take out the lows here, have an SMT, go higher, and then take the wick again, which we're about to do. So we might go all the way lower to stop loss. That would be unfortunate, but it is what it is, man. That's just trading. Took out the low. Again, I have an SMT to low. Is that going to bring it all the way higher? Who knows? Maybe. I don't know. But I don't know. Yeah. We'll see what happens. We did now tap the gaps again. 2 minute to close liquidity inside of that gap. Would this be my actual entry if I'm looking for higher? Yeah, honestly, yeah. Because we do have an SMT. So closure above this, honestly, I will add to it. But that first has to happen. First that needs to happen, and then I'll do it. Yeah. So enter with 2 contracts. Where am I originally filled? I'm filled like somewhere a tiny bit lower, like 50. Oh, that's nice. Then my entry would be like here, I think. So I'll still be risking like $100, which is then nice. But my R increases, so it'll be like a 1 or 3 RR going towards that buy side liquidity. I'll definitely add here. I'll definitely add if we close above. 2, 1, and that's closure.
Order filled.
All right, so now I'm in with 2 contracts. Let me cancel all the 3 others. Let me do a sell stop here and then quickly enter on
Order filled.
the Lucid account. And 2 contracts there, sell stop. All right, so now I'm in with 2 contracts. I'm filled at 25.58. This is nice. Yeah. So I'm filled, where did I say? So now the entry changes. Where would I go break even? Still at the high. 225, where was it? So I have to be quick because it now goes 058. So I'm filled here. 75. I'm in with 2 contracts. I'm risking not even $100 per trade, which is crazy. Could maybe even be, how much is 3 contracts? I could probably be in with 3 contracts, but yeah. 2 contracts, that's what I'm risking. Right. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh my god. Yeah. So in with 2 on every account, and then now my TP is at Tahir still there. So that will be 350 on every account, which is crazy if that gets hit, of course. But that is how it goes. Oh shit! And I did not enter on the Apex account, but that's fine because I'm already risking a lot there. Or no, that's not true because then my stop loss would have moved. But still, it's fine. All right, we'll see what happens. So yeah, if I wasn't sure, like you saw it, I wasn't too sure to enter on this, and I said exactly, then I need to see some sort of retracement. This is honestly a plus price action, if it goes, of course. But manipulation internally, while we are already having a move higher, drawn liquidity is higher, closing above this should be my original entry. And then yeah, I wished I was in with one more contract, but yeah, can't have everything, of course. On ES, would I go break even anywhere? Let's see. Probably here on ES, actually. I do want to hold more, but yeah. Guess I'll just put this trade on there. And we'll see what happens now. We will see what happens. So I'm in here, but I'm in with 8 contracts. So let me put a stop loss beneath the low. Still, of course, could go to my stop loss and everything is gone. But that's how trading is then. This just looks really good in my eyes, man. But you never know. You never know. All right, so there's no place I'm going to go break even on NQ. Honestly, this should be first and full TP. Maybe I can squeeze a bit more out of this. We will see. This is now my stop loss. This is where my original entry was. Or this is where my new entry is. Yeah, we will see. Oh no, I could still hold. Where's my original TP? This is still my original TP. Oh, I'll definitely let it run until there. Let's see, man. Oh, 4 minutes. I don't know where I'm entered with the Apex account, but 25.65. Oh, exactly a year actually. What? Okay. So can I add something to this? So I'm in with 8 contracts in there. Here was 8 contracts now on here. Oh, I could definitely double that, but could maybe add like a couple 4 contracts here, but if we even want to go to there again. All right, I set a limit order here somewhere for the Apex counts. Yeah, now again, waiting. So far, now it's not boring price action. Like this, again, it's kind of bit consolidating, but this looks insane. This really looks insane. A plus plus, basically. Looks really, really clean. We'll see what happens. Oh yeah, I'll go break even once that high gets it. Oh. Waiting. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Should be filled on here on Apex.
Order filled.
Yeah, there it is. Alright, so now I'm in with 12 contracts on Apex. See that my stop loss has not changed, so I should do that right away. Alright. See what happens. Like, I'm praising this, glazing this price action right now, but if it just goes with a bearish candle like this towards my stop loss, then that would suck, of course. Like, I could add to the position now. Like I said, oh, I really want to add to this position, but it should already go in my eyes. Like, this is already taking too long, man. It's already taking a bit too long. But we'll see. Maybe I'll add to it later, but it's already taking a bit too long in my eyes. Take both that internal low and NQ and ES. Really shouldn't go much lower here. Like if this candle is going to close bearish, which it is. Close bearish. Let me check if everything is set correctly. So you can see here, I'm in with, there's one contract here. Sell 1 TP and 3 others. That should be double. Yes, I would like to cancel this. This should be a total of 8 contracts. Sell stop. Yes. Alright, that's correct. This is 2. That's correct. Alright, that's all correct. Alright. Again, it's chopping a bit, so we'll see. Setup is A++, doesn't mean price action really is A++. All right, let's see. It's taking a bit too long now, right? So come on now. Nice. Lucid Trading is now listed on prop for a match in the first year. Lose that experience on Rockbrook Road. Oh, they're already 12 months operating. Wow, nice. Very nice, very nice. This is taking way too long, man. Man, this is taking long. It's gonna be the same thing as yesterday. There's no way. This just looks too good. Yeah, also, I think it's important to not just keep looking at the charts while you're in a trade. I think that's also very challenging to do. Like, I'm not doing it uh, with a reason. Like, I'm just now just looking a bit on Twitter. Again, something that's not really taking my focus. Having alerts on the chart. I don't want to be focused just on the charts while I'm in with my trade, and definitely not while like this is here on the side. Like I don't want to look at this while I see the P&L going. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! $100, $100. Like I don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. I'm convinced that's not good. So I don't do it. Like I could look here and then also not do anything about it. That's also yeah, it's also fine, of course, but it just makes me crazy. Like I'm probably not the only one. Oh man, taking such a long time. Oh man. Oh my god. There again is an SMT. This is too much. Oh. Again, close to the break-even point or the actual entry point. Alright, let's see. Oh yes, it's already gone lower. Alright, so back at break even. This is also still holding, I think. It's 4 minutes, yeah. So you also have that singular IVG there. Clean highs. Could mark this out as well. Now we're in that. All right, so sub looked insane. Oh, but I guess this will be a stop out. I guess so. Sometimes, yeah. I don't know what it is with price action, like yesterday, today. But setups, wow. Honestly, it can't be a better setup than this. Just looks insane. But even A plus setups um, go the wrong way, or it could be a stop out, of course. Like if you only take A plus setups, does that mean you get a 100% win rate? No, of course not. Like who really has a 100% win rate? You could have a 100% win rate over a certain period of time, like a month. It's possible. Unlikely, but possible. Um, but multiple years? No. There's no strategy out there which has a 100% win rate. So yeah. And now we're moving lower. Well, we have not taken any liquidity at all. Like I said, oh yeah, here, like correction here lower, going to stop out, that would be weird because like why this high? Like we do have an SMT, but why this high and then go all the way lower? But now we take out this high. We didn't take out any highs in here, and we're going lower. Like this makes even less sense to me. Am I expecting a reversal all the way higher? No, but it could still happen, of course. Am I hoping for it? Yeah, definitely, of course. Definitely hoping for that to happen. Still a very, very good looking trade, but it could be an unfortunate one. Could be an unfortunate stop out. And let me check if all my position is set correctly. 2 to 12. Yes, sir.
Stop
That's a stop
filled.
out. All right, so I'm stopped here. So that's minus $400 something. Got stopped. That's very unfortunate that that happened. Minus, where is it? 400. Wow, man, I don't even know. 400 minus minus 500. Minus 500 total. And on the trade of 8, that's there as well. Yeah, and there it's minus Apex. Minus, where's that? 800. Very, very, very unfortunate. Total on 500. Yeah, very, very unfortunate with the price action. I don't know what we want to do, what the idea is. It's almost outside my kill zone. Let me check if everything is set correctly now. I don't think I have any orders. Cancel and exit all. Cancel and exit all. Cancel and exit all. Yeah, there are no more positions on here. Yeah, it's very unfortunate. This trade took... Can I see that? How long did it take? Oh, I don't know. Like an hour? Like... yeah, like almost an hour. Very unfortunate. Really, this is a nice move for lower, but or it's a big move, like a lot of volume, but really doesn't make sense to me at all. And sometimes you have days like that. Like this price action is just, in my eyes, weird. But yeah, the market can do anything at once. The market is not supposed to do anything. It's literally doing anything once, and you're just riding along. So yeah, unfortunately, you stop out. There's like 20 more minutes left of trading, but I think that's just a session for today. I will end this clip here, and if I take another trade, then you will see it. But I don't think that will happen. So I'm just ending the video here. Thank you for watching. If we're watching this entire thing, 1 hour and 10 minutes. Unfortunately, took a loss today. Totally part of trading. Unfortunate price action, I would say so. Yeah. See you. Ciao.